What are the citizenship and residency requirements for long-term care Medicaid in Florida? That's today's question. That's what we're going to be talking about. So, first thing I want to explain is that Medicaid is more than one thing. Medicaid refers to multiple different programs and they have different requirements. Today, all I'm talking about are the long-term care Medicaid programs like the Medicaid waiver program, which helps pay for home health care or assisted living facility care, or skilled nursing facility Medicaid, of course, what the ICP program, which helps pay for nursing home care. Okay, to become eligible for these programs, you have to pass a medical test, an income test, an asset test. That's not what we're talking about. We're talking about something a little bit more basic than that, which is, again, citizenship and residency requirements. So, we often get the question, do you have to be a U.S. citizen in order to apply for Florida long-term care Medicaid? And the answer is no. However, you do have to be a legal permanent resident, right? You have to have your green card. Not only that, but you have to have your green card for at least 5 years. If you are fairly new to the country or fairly new to being a legal permanent resident of the United States, you have to wait 5 years before you're eligible for these needs-based government programs to help pay for long-term care. Now, residency is a different issue. Luckily, it's a lot easier to be considered a Florida resident, right? So something else you need to know, if you don't know already, is Medicaid is different among the states. Medicaid doesn't travel. If you're coming to Florida from another state, you're not automatically going to be enrolled in the Florida Medicaid long-term care program. You're going to have to reapply. Some of these programs involve a wait list, which is why it's really important to talk to an elder law attorney in Florida, such as our firm, before moving to Florida to make sure that you meet Florida's requirements, because they can be substantially different from other states. But however, in order to apply, you must be a Florida resident. Establishing Florida residency is very, very easy. Essentially, all you need is an address, right? You don't have to wait 30 days. You don't have to wait 60 days or 90 days. I've heard those numbers thrown around. You can be in Florida for 1 day, but as long as you have an address in Florida, you are able to declare that it is your intent to remain in Florida for the most of the year, you can be considered a Florida resident. Hope that answers this question. If you have any other questions about how to become eligible for Medicaid, please contact our office. We work with people all over the state of Florida. We work with people who are moving to the state of Florida, who are interested in getting help paying for their long-term care, whether it's at home or whether it's in a facility. Thank you very much.